Aruba, being a tourist destination, provides plenty of job opportunities for many people. This is including musicians. Today we take a look at how this island allows musicians to make a living off what they do best. Richard Verge, also known as Ricky Thomas, is a performer on the island. He sings and he has a one-man show. He explains how deciding to live on Aruba was a good career move for him.
I've been here for a little over a year and a half. I was living on Bonaire beforehand, and Bonaire being a smaller place, the work there for me wasn't as prevalent as it is in Aruba. You know, coming to Aruba for me as a musician was it's like coming to paradise.
Many places on the island hire on bands and singers, allowing plenty of musicians to land gigs. Richard says he is able to land more jobs here than he would in the United States.
Aruba is a wonderful place for a musician because there's so many opportunities to play. There's so many places to play. If you walk into a hotel, they can have someone playing in the lobby for the guests that are arriving. If they have a bar off the lobby or something, there'll be entertainment there. If they have a casino, they have a band in the casino. If they have a restaurant out by the water, there's entertainment there. There's entertainment every place. Music is part of life, and in Aruba, it's a big part of life. So it's a wonderful place for me. I could be working 9 days a week if I wanted to. You know, it's wonderful. If I was back in New Jersey or New York, something like this would not be happening.
Richard will be returning to the U.S. in October to perform at a book release party where he plans on spreading the word and building on Aruba's tourism.
When I'm in the States, because I'm in love with my happy island so much, that I'm going to be focusing on getting more people to come back here to Aruba, to experience Aruba, and hopefully have the next band reunion in Aruba, so that people can come here, they can experience the beauty of the island, definitely the musicality of the island, because that's the heartbeat of the island.
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for joining us.